What is going on, guys? It's Dylan from WeTheCoasters. We're checking on into Busch Gardens, Tampa. I don't want to waste too much time. You can see by the title, I'm super excited. Let's get through security and get to where we need to go. Guys, I never thought I'd be super excited to ride a more than 30-year-old B&M until today, but here I am. I can't believe it. Also, you want to know the fun fact? So apparently, my pass struggled to scan at the thing, so they had to check everything over by the little area where you go after you get into the park. But the problem is I'm in a bit of a rush because, you know, I got here super late, so I need to technically get going right now and head over to Kumba. That is my main goal. Get a few rides in, get out. So yeah, I would like to talk about Hollow Scream and a few other things around here, but I'm not doing that. I gotta have priorities here. And my main priority is to go out. What's up, man? Go out to Kumba, get some rides in, and go from there. Honestly, I am like super excited. I know the last few times when I rode it, I said it was rough. You know, it definitely needed some love. And then the ride shut down for like, what, 10 months, I think it was, maybe 11 months. And literally this week, they just reopened it. However, right now it is past member previews, so it's not the full-blown open yet. However, tomorrow, at the making of this recording, it will open to everyone, which, you know, I'm glad that's the case. I feel like that's not much of a complaint. I know there's been a few that kind of complain because, oh, well, it's a 32-year-old B&M. I mean, come on, we're past members. We waited a while for this there. So we're gonna slowly make our way over to Kumba, and we're gonna go from there. But let me tell you, I am super excited for this moment. So I cannot wait to hear that roar again. It's gonna be awesome. Well, I never thought I would see so many people around this walkway, but I don't believe it. The bridge is finally open, and we're getting ready to ride Kumba. Oh my God, I'm like super excited for this moment. I've waited patiently months for this. Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah, so he even knows he's got a Kumba shirt on. So the ride's open from 11 to 5. They're gonna probably check past member stuff, but I'm super excited for this moment. This is something I'm super excited for. Oh my God, there's a crowd cheering at the station. Yo, that's awesome. Okay, we're not gonna waste any time. Let's get on. Alrighty, here we go. We're getting ready to ride Kumba for the first time ever in about close to a year. I never thought I'd ever get back on this ever again, but lo and behold, here I am, getting ready to do this. So, hard enough to believe I'm doing this here. Got Congo next to me on the left. I'll tell you what, the atmosphere around here has been super great. Everyone's been such a class act and everything. So, I feel bad Kyle didn't get to do this, but you know what? Screw you, buddy. Woohoo! By the way, row 3 we're doing. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Feel the roar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a little bit of a sprinkler somehow. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Into the tunnel. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's like the me from 2002 got super excited for this again. This is great. So, it ran really good. I'm happy. Good job, Busch. Thank you for keeping this intact. I'll be sure to treasure these rides when I can. That was awesome. Alrighty, ride 2. We're gonna hit the back row and we're gonna hit an end seat. So you can tell with these B&Ms, you get 4 across here. I don't want to go too far out for obvious reasons, but it's gonna be great. So all those G's on these old school B&Ms here. Man, it's gonna be cool when you get to see it behind me. We're gonna go over the lift hill. We got this loop right over it here, so you'll see it probably about a few seconds here, right about here. There it is. So that's what the cool thing about it is too. So this could be great, man. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, those G's are kicking in. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go. That is wicked. Oh, damn. Yeah, she got a bit of a rumble, I can tell you that. That's awesome though, here we go. Yeah. That's awesome. That is awesome. Hey guys, what you think of that back row?
So good. Oh, that's awesome. It's so good. It's even better than front.
Oh man.
Come down to Busch Gardens, ride this place. It's so good.
Yeah,
it's running
exactly.
so good. No headbanging at all.
No, it's great.
Glass smooth.
It's very good. A little rumble, but no headbanging though.
No rumble. It's awesome.
It's great though. I'm so happy to ride this in the back again. All right, guys. See that? We did 2 rides on Kumba during the, I guess you could say, the reopening of Kumba with the preview. And yeah, I cannot believe it. Just like that, I'm gonna head out of the park. See that? I went here for one specific reason, get some rides in on Kumba and just get out. It may be a little bit of a quick review to you, but I just want to talk about my thoughts about this. So if you don't know, Kumba was closed for a while, and basically what happened, you know, a little bit of a closure with Congo happened, a bit of a sinkhole that happened, and then it kind of held up with Kumba and some issues that happened along the way there. And then of course, you know, with Kumba being closed, they had to inspect it, make sure everything was all good. B&M, they had to really check it out as well. And then it kind of just went from there. But I'm very happy the park is reopened with Kumba there and all that. You know, it feels weird that this ride is 32 years old. It's mind-blowing. And for the way how it ran, even with the fix and everything, it feels really good. It still has a little bit of that older rattle in a way. Not terrible, it's, you know, noticeable though, but it's good though. I did not have any headbanging. People all around me did not have a headbang. And the people who were there enjoyed the ride. I have never heard this much energy before for Kumba ever in my life for the times I've been on it. And it's really good that, you know, a lot of love has been given to that ride, which I can tell you, if God forbid that ride does ever close, which I could see it eventually soon, you know, be prepared for it. But I'm telling you this right now to everyone who ever comes to Busch Gardens Tampa starting tomorrow onward, when you come to the park, get your rides in on Kumba and enjoy it, because I don't know how much longer that ride will last, but I will tell you that it's not going to be one of those, like, it'll be around for 10, 15 years. I don't see that happening. So please, appreciate it for what it's worth, get your rides in, and enjoy the moment. So that's something I'd have to tell you guys, because, you know, that's just being totally honest and all that. So just like that, I've now said what I said about the ride. Eventually, when I come back to Busch Tampa, I'm gonna get a ride on the front and all that there too. That'll probably be for when I go to Howell's Screen. By the way, it is a Friday when I say this, so tomorrow will be Saturday. I'm making this video. So if you already see this by then, the ride will have already opened up fully to guests. And now we're also behind on videos, because if you haven't noticed, Dollywood Day 1 is already up, and there's already been a few videos from the trip in September. So if you have not seen those, highly recommend it. It's great. And also check out what we do here in WeTheCoasters, especially on the travel side. So with that, let's get to our outro. Well guys, that's gonna do it here from WeTheCoasters over here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Overall, a very quick visit, but a very fun one though, as I got to ride Kumba for the first time over here, and it felt great to get back on it again. But as they say, we're heading out of the park, and we're gonna head back here, probably when Howell's Screen, right here. We'll be going around. Stay tuned for that when that comes out. when we go to that event. Once again, thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, and hit that bell notification for any future uploads. Follow us on all of our socials, our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter, and our threads. Once again, my name is Dylan. Thank you guys for checking us out, and we'll see you guys later until the next video, no matter where it may be. Until then, goodbye everybody. Peace.